These are cattle egrets. Cattle egrets, two in number. One is the white ibis. One is the white ibis, Indian lapwing, Indian lapwing, and red stilt are Indian lapwing and red stilt are in the field. Very interesting phenomena of the aquatic birds. One white ibis with black beak and Indian lapwing are more than 20, and red stilt are 6 in number. They are going hither and thither. Very interesting phenomena of this hilly area. The white egrets are sitting on the bank of paddy field. The white ibis with black beak searching its food in the field. Very interesting phenomena of these aquatic birds. Like the video and subscribe the channel.